Hare Krishna. I am Dr. Balakrishnan Ponnuraj, a graduate of both IIT Bombay and IIT Madras. When I studied MTech in IIT Bombay in the year 1992, I got the opportunity to study Bhagavad Gita from His Holiness Bhakti Rasamrita Swami. Then, when I studied PhD in Mechanical Engineering from IIT Madras, I got the opportunity to study Bhagavad Gita from His Holiness Bhanu Swami Maharaj. I am working in the industry for the last 25 years, and I got initiation from His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj. My initiator name is Bala Govinda Das. I am living in US for the last 20 years. I teach Bhagavad Gita every day using Zoom. Bhagavad Gita is the king of knowledge. So, if you want to understand about yourself and find the answers for the questions like who am I, how to control the restless mind, and what is the relationship between body, senses, mind, intelligence, and soul, please join my Bhagavad Gita lectures every day using Zoom. If you are interested in joining my daily Bhagavad Gita classes, please visit www.rajavidya.com, RAJAVIDYA, rajavidya.com, and join in my WhatsApp group using the information given in this website. Please watch the remaining video to know the experiences shared by the students of my Bhagavad Gita class. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. I am Shahana, an MBBS graduate, and I have been preparing for my postgraduate medical examinations when my mother introduced me to these classes. Every morning at 8, we both sit and listen to the Bhagavad Gita classes, and we are so fortunate to be able to learn this supreme scientific knowledge which is explained to us so simply by Guruji.
So I was very keen on finding a good Bhagavad Gita class, a good guru. And I'm very happy to be associated with Guruji and with his class, because this is learning Bhagavad Gita in a very simple, easy to understand, well structured format. You can join any day and there's nothing forced on you. But the class is so beautiful that you will never want to leave it.
In a very simple and very practical way, scientific way, he's taking Bhagavad Gita classes for us. We all of us here are devotees of this Bhagavad Gita class, and we have been learning how to live life on a daily basis. There are so many things that we have learnt now, many mistakes which we've been doing, which we are able to correct now, and our Guruji is now showing us the path, the simple path, the scientific path, and the only path.
Hare Krishna to everyone. This is Suresh Kumar from Saskatoon, Canada. Since I have joined the classes, I am able to know what to eat, what not to eat, to live a disease-free, healthy life by simply offering prasadam to Lord Shri Krishna. I am also able to handle difficult situations of everyday life.
Here Guruji explains each and every verse, chapter by chapter, every single day. His relentless and consistent efforts are really commendable. He ensures that everyone understands each verse very clearly, and if any doubts, we are given an opportunity to ask and clarify our doubts at the end of each class.
Only humble request is this Bhagavad Gita class. Guruji is very patient enough and he gives individual attention to everybody. That is very, very important, because whatever class we attend, there will not be any time for individual attention. He gives individual attention and he will not force anything. You just follow this, like that. He will not say, this is what Krishna is telling. Yeah. Just, he will put a word to our mind. That's all. It's up to us to decide what we do. This is a very, very different kind of a class, because I have attended so many classes. It's a very, very different kind of a class. However busy you are, whatever you may be in your life, just listen to this Bhagavad Gita class.
The way Guruji is explaining the Gita sloka and the secret meaning behind that, and the way he inspires us to do bhakti for Krishna, really unique. I find the Guruji's class as a global class in which we devotees from different parts of the world sitting together in the morning and learning the secret of Bhagavad Gita from Guruji.
At the outset, let me thank Guruji for the wonderful lectures which has made Bhagavad Gita more interesting, and now I'm able to understand with more clarity.
Bhagavad Gita teaches us how to stop being ignorant and gives us knowledge towards true happiness. I chose to attend this class in search of this knowledge. I am pleased to say that I have enjoyed my journey with Guruji so far. I am grateful to Guruji and this amazing community. I would recommend all of you to join this class to get the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, I am Ankita Basu from Kolkata. I am thankful to our Guruji for this beautiful class. The method of teaching is very unique in nature because his explanation of each sloka is descriptive, to the point, easy to understand, and in very simple language. Above all, he listens all our questions very patiently and answers all the questions. The answers are very much practical, applicable in daily life and scientific also. I wish every devotee can join this class and listen to Guruji.
Hare Krishna. We are transcendentalists from Edmonton, Canada. We have been regularly attending Bhagavad Gita class for more than a year. Guruji's class helps us in understanding the deep meaning within the slokas.
With this understanding, we realized how precious is human life. This has completely changed our view and objectives in life. Knowledge of Bhagavad Gita helped us in achieving peace, harmony and satisfaction within ourselves, thus improving quality of life substantially.
Ever since I joined the class, I noticed a lot of changes in me. This is mainly due to the way Guruji guides us and teaches us how to conduct our activities in everyday life. So after attending the class, I realized that giving importance to material sense objects is really a waste of time and is meaningless. What is important is to remain in Krishna consciousness all the time. Only then life will become more meaningful.
So by Krishna's mercy only, I got an opportunity to come across this Guruji's class. So I joined this class, I think 1.5 years back. So after joining this class only, I started learning Bhagavad Gita. So after attending Guruji's class, it is too easy for me to understand each and every sloka of Bhagavad Gita as it is, because Guruji explains each and every sloka, each and every line of Bhagavad Gita in a very simple and understandable way. So you will really enjoy in the class and learn this Bhagavad Gita in a very simpler way.
So he is having a scientific way of explaining the things. So he takes up one verse every day in his classes and completely explains the meaning of the different words and relates it with the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita. His explanations are so scientific in nature that anybody who has got a logical reasoning, he can get the meaning of it.
I am father of Dr. Balagovind Balakrishnan Ponnuraj. Dr. Balakrishnan has devoted his service for Krishna from 1991 onwards. Daily I am attending his Bhagavad Gita class. Best wishes for his service for the sake of humankind. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.